Hello everyone and welcome in the Dying Light The Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to find the game guide in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. Well, to find the guide for this game you have to press the escape and then you can see the game guide tab. In here you have all of the tutorials for your game. You can see the preview videos and also the descriptions, and in here what's interesting, it's hints. So you can see the hints for you that allows you to use it and make your gameplay easier. For example, how to jump, climb, kick the enemies, pull up, and other important stuff that you can use to learn your game. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!